Oh, this is so cool. I have multiple funny stories having to do with one set of tools here today, and I'm a little surprised by it. So first off, I'm assuming you have one of these, and this was my version of a tool today to do a project outside. This is just a regular socket stuck on a socket adapter, stuck into this impact driver, and that's how I was working today. And then right now I pulled off the shelf. I was like, next video, what do we got to do? And I pull this out, and I look at it, I'm like, oh, this is so cool. And I wish you could have seen my natural face when I took this out of the box and I saw these sockets, and they're shiny and pretty and cool looking, and I was like, oh, I would have made the stupidest face, and this video would have been magical. But in any case, I'm going to try to share that magic with you because this is the first time I am opening them up. So now this is from Facoow. I don't know how you pronounce it. But I love that it says they only make products that exceed expectations. And so far, I'm telling you, I was like magic when I first looked at it. And look at this. Look at how beautiful they are. Yeah, they're tools, and I just said they're beautiful, and you boys understand what I mean. Look, it's got this cool shiny black. It fits in perfect. And look at that. That's not that janky put together thing that I was working with earlier today, and I could have been using this. So now I know I have it. And let me tell you, this has a whole slew of metric sizes, a whole slew of imperial sizes. It has... I'm not sure what this is. What is this? I have every tool, and I have no idea what this is. You guys, put this in the comments below. What kind of tool is this? Really have no idea. I just came up with a theory, but I want to see. You guys put in the comments if you really know what that is. This is a basic extension, a magnetic extension, so that you can make your reach even longer. But this is kind of cool. Check this out. This has a pivot, right? So if something's not right at the perfect straight angle, you could still get at it that way. That's pretty darn cool. And then I just found something else under here. Let me see if I can show you this without spilling everything. We'll see how good the kit is. Nope, I'm not even spilling everything. That's how good it is. Look at these. I see Phillips head, I see flathead, I see Allen head and Torx, all there in there, buried in there. But this really is amazing. If you're looking for a gift for a boy, you can't possibly go wrong with this. This is so exciting to me, and it should be so exciting to anybody you might be considering getting this for. If you're getting it for yourself, do it. This is very uniquely cool. There are lots of things I see which are cool, but this is uniquely cool, and you should definitely get this for yourself. I'm so excited I have it for myself. If you want it, there's actually a link in the description below. If you use that link, it helps out the channel. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and I'm going to say thank you. We appreciate it in advance. It really does help out the channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and don't forget to put a comment in. What the heck is that tool that I don't know what it is? So put that in the comments. I really do want to know what that is for future reference. And I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.